y'all, I'm frying some chicken today, and I just wanted to show y'all how I do it. I don't fry chicken a lot. I don't even make fried foods a lot, but today I did, and I just wanted to show you guys what I did. These are leg quarters that I cleaned up and washed up. To this, I'm going to add some Nashville hot seasoning. Y'all already know everything here, or most of it at least, is from McCormick. I'm not sponsored. I'm not anything, but it's what I use. It's my favorite spices, so it is what it is. I'm also going to use some smashed seasoning, some red pepper flakes, and some chicken seasoning. And that's pretty much it for like the powdered type of seasoning on the chicken, but you can season it however you prefer. Do y'all have a favorite brand of chicken or spices that y'all use, or what y'all prefer? Comment and let me know. The only spices I really love outside of this is It's Lit Lemon Pepper by Misha's Corner, and of course Spicy Girl. Speaking of Spicy Girl, I know y'all tired of me talking about it. It is coming back. Like legit, it's gonna be here the first quarter of the year. But I thank y'all for being patient with me. Now look at me. I was trying to put my buttermilk. I just opened this box and I guess I need to shake it up. So I shook it up and there it goes right there. Make sure you shake up your buttermilk, especially if it's the off-brand kind. Okay, so I'm adding some buttermilk, some hot Swiss. This hot Swiss is from Aldi. It has a kick, but it's not like a strong hot sauce like, you know, Frank's or those kinds. I also added the juice of this pickled jalapeno juice down in here just for extra flavor. And I'm going to mix this up and let it sit overnight. You don't have to let it sit overnight, but y'all know my mom. I try to get a lot of things ready the day or the night before so that when it's time to go, it's time to go. So I was doing this while she was put to bed, okay? Because literally, I could barely get things done when she's awake and running around. So, you know, you got to watch your kid, child. So, yeah. So, in this bowl, I have some flour and some cornstarch. And to this, I'm adding the same seasonings that I added on the chicken. I just mixed it all together so we didn't have to go through those steps again. And, yeah, remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. So, make sure you guys check that out if you care, you know. So you want to mix that up. So now, yes, may I use my on? I'm on, may I use. That's why God provide, when provide, and provide soap and water. So I'm going to use soap and water and wash my on. So yes, use the on for transfer your chicken to the flour. Okay? So yeah, you want to coat it really, really well and squeeze it to get the flour right down into the chicken. And then you want to set it to the side. You're going to let all the chicken pieces rest for 10 to 15 minutes before you fry it. That's going to help the flour adhere to the chicken. It's going to make it more crispy, more delicious, and your batter won't be falling off all over the place. So I'm just going to keep going, and then we're going to fry this chicken up. All right, so I'm about to put the chicken in a hot oil bath, okay? And this oil is about 350. I feel like 350 is sometimes best, depending on what kind of pot you're using or what you're frying. And I'm going to cook mine for about 10 to 12 minutes. And until I it gets nice and brown enough for me, because I don't like pale chicken. I like when it's really brown. That's just my preference. I know some people prefer a lighter colored chicken, and that's fine too, but I like it colored. Okay, so now I'm flipping my chicken. This is about 7 minutes. I'm flipping it with a fork. Don't try this at home. If you have a deep fryer, you won't have to do this, right? That's why Misha needs to get a deep fryer or ask the Lord to provide. But now I'm going to remove the chicken. Make sure it's about 165 in the middle, especially the chicken thighs. And you'll be good to go. So this is what they look like. Okay, nice and golden, delicious. Look at the spices. I feel like I could kind of sort of see the hot sauce as well, but we're not going to go there. Maybe I'm just reaching, but you can't have fried chicken without hot sauce. Okay, and then this is me just going ahead and cutting into one because it's hot. Okay, it is hot, and I wanted y'all to see the inside of how moist and delicious, perfectly cooked all the way through, crunchy this chicken is. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.